This is Borewell Child Rescue System. As most of the Indian people are doing agriculture, they are facing water scarcity, so they'll dig borewells. In some borewell there will be no water, so they will remain as it is. There will be a high chance of people, animal or child falling into that remain borewell. To solve this problem, the rescue system is used. The components used here are DC motor, battery, robotic arm, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, power supply, motor driver and Bluetooth. Let's see the components in details. This is Arduino Uno. This is the controlling unit of all the operations, and Arduino Uno, why I choose Arduino Uno is that it have 20 I/O pins. Out of that 14 is digital input output. Here we are giving the inputs of motor from to digital pin of Arduino, and Bluetooth is serially connected to the receiver and transmitter pin of Arduino Uno. The operating voltage of Arduino Uno is 5 voltage, which is taken from power supply. Next component is Bluetooth. Bluetooth HC05 is used. It is used to communicate serially. It has 4 pins. It has actually 6 pins, out of which 4 pins are used: transmitter, receiver, VCC and ground. Next is ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is used to detect or measure the distance between an obstacle and the sensor. Here it is used to measure the distance between the child and from where the robotic arm is facing. It has 4 pins. It has 4 pins: VCC, ground, echo and trigger. Next is motor driver. Motor driver is used to drive the low current coming from the microcontroller to DC motor. And as DC motor is working on high current, but microcontroller is giving us low current to amplify the current. We are using motor driver. Here we are using L293D motor driver. And next is the power supply. Power supply is used to get the desired voltage level. Here we are using 2 regulators, 7805 and 7812. 7812 is used to get 12 volt supply, and 7805 is used to get the 5 volt supply. 12 volt supply is used to drive the motor driver. Finally, battery. Battery is used to give supply for the whole rescue system. After turning on the battery, we have to connect Bluetooth. It is connected. If we want to move the robotic arm upwards, we have to type U and send. It will be serially accepted using Bluetooth, and it will be sent to the microcontroller, and the arm will move upwards. If we send D, it will move downwards. If we send as O, it will open the robotic arm, and for closing we have to send the seal. If we want to check the distance of a child, we'll type T and send. It will show. It will show the distance. This is the working. Advantage of rescue system is that this is highly efficient and it helps for rescue purposes, and pick and place also we can use the system. Thank you.